Hello everyone, welcome to Fuzz and Buzz. Today we are making one of my all-time favorite fruit salads. Let's get started. This amount will serve 4 people. We need 1 pound of strawberries. Cut the strawberries in half and then in half again. When all the strawberries are cut, it's time to make the dressing. You need a zest from 1 organic grown lime. We are using about 1 teaspoon of the zest. The rest I will be putting in the freezer to use at a later time. Add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. You need about 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice, and that should equal about 1 lime. Mix this together and don't forget to taste. If you want it to be sweeter, just add a little bit more maple syrup. Now add about 1 tablespoon on top of the strawberries, and then mix everything together carefully. Set this aside in the fridge and let's start with the topping. You need about 3.5 ounces of white chocolate. You can of course chop it with a knife as well, but I prefer to do it this way. Place the white chocolate on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Then spread it out evenly on the paper and then bake this in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. When it's done, let it cool completely. We are going to dice 2 normal-sized green kiwis. I always try to cut all the fruits in about the same size. So in Sweden we have a hard time finding really nice mango. This is pre-cut frozen mango, in about the same quantity as the kiwi. You need to chop about 2 bananas. Cut every slice into 4 pieces. When all the fruits are cut and in the bowl, add the remaining dressing. Carefully mix this together. So, for the roasted white chocolate, fold the parchment paper over the chocolate and press gently. Repeat this until you have chocolate crumbs. Don't taste this yet, because it won't last for the fruit salad. Serve this with a little bit of vanilla ice cream. Top it off with the roasted white chocolate. This is probably the best mixed fruit salad with vanilla ice cream that I have ever had. And if there is no kids eating, you can always spice it up with a little bit of orange flavored liqueur. That's everything from us, and as always, I hope you have a wonderful day.